All right, guys, we're going to be talking about, I'm going to show you how much money MLM makes a year. Old school style MLM, but it's a new school that's coming out. They train you. I recruited free to join. I recruited 70,000 people in 4 months. 70,000. Now it's 73,000. They come in 2,000 a day. 500 to 2,000 a day. Yes, by saying this, I release all doubts and fears, knowing that the universe is working behind the scenes to manifest my desires into reality. Whether you believe about God or the universe or whatever, you can manifest. Guys, you have to believe in yourself. Because people that say internet marketing, MLM, affiliate marketing is scams, they don't believe in themselves first. You have to believe in yourself. And you got to go out there boldly. Not overconfident, but you have to know what to say to your referrals. Let me show you how much old school internet marketing makes. Amway, you know Amway, right? Everybody knows what Amway is, unless you're maybe 18 and you haven't heard of Amway. 7.7 billion. That was 2023, and they made the same thing in 2024. They made 8.9 billion in 2021. This is Google. Okay? Amway is old school. They don't share fairly with their worker bees. I call them worker bees. They surely not getting paid like partners. You would have to probably have maybe, I don't know, 10,000 people even to make $1,800. I can show you this company that I'm in. This is how they pay you. $1,800. We haven't launched yet, but we're going into a company that already has 450,000 people in it. So we're coming in at probably 30,000 or 40,000, because some people would just sit on the sidelines and watch and make sure we're making money, right? Okay, right? And it's a training. They don't sell potions and lotions and all that stuff. We sell top of the line training from multi-millionaires. Multi-millionaires, guys. They have their own Facebook-like app. They have their own Facebook-like platform, Instagram platform. You can advertise to those 450,000 people. And we're a community, so we're going to look at your stuff and see if it's worth buying. We're only going to charge $20. But what if you can get thousands and thousands of people paying you $20? If you got something to sell, you got a business, you can offer your business up. Right? There are some of them 450,000 people that are in your neighborhood. Right? And we're going to build it out to 1 billion people. Right? Because nobody hardly knows about this. I was looking for something like this, guys. I was manifesting this into my life. Because I made $1,300 for about 2 years. Right? Till the company just went out of business. They couldn't keep up with what they were promising. All right, guys. But yeah. So I know how it is to make $1,300 extra dollars without doing anything, guys. I think I paid maybe, probably $50 one time, but I got in with a guy that had a big downline. He had 300 people, so that was 280 something cents for all 300, which come out to about $1,300, right? All right, so that lasted about 1.5 years, and then it just fell apart. All right, so this is going to be a lifetime legacy where you can leave it to your kids. This is just the $3 and the $5. This is not the 100% match or nothing like that. All your people that you got coming in, whatever they make, you make. Every month, not one time, every month. So you're getting that plus your matrix pay. You get a fast start bonus every month. Everything is every month, guys. It's either going to go down or up depending on the people stay in. Everybody's going to stay in because they're making money. If I can come in here with no referrals and make $1,800, you get paid for spillover too. You get them 3s and them 5s. But you want to have referrals so you can get that fast start bonus every month for them using the product. That's $40. So if you got 100 people, that 100 that times $40. Okay, and then their downline, you get 50% match on fast start. So that's $20, right? Guys, gotta go. I want you to listen to this next video. Is it real or is it Memorex? Because you don't know Megan Lynch. She's one of the owners. It's 3 owners. Yeah, so you want to take a look at that and see if it's real or if it's Memorex. Watch at the end what she does. I like to entertain people, but this is serious business back here, right? Because this is serious money. 5,000 monthly, 16,000 monthly, 49,000 monthly. Come on, just guess what these ones are. Okay, one guy got in here now. He's man. He got a palace. The backyard looks like Disney World. Okay, guys, he was the first one of her friends that got in, right? And now he's living the life. You would have to see it. I just messed up the back. I left my mic on and it messed the whole thing, the words up, so you can't hardly understand what she's saying. All right. She was visited his house and she was like looking at it like, this is crazy. How he lives compared to when she knew him when he first went into the company. Right? Okay, so yeah, he was even building on to the mansion that he was in. But the backyard looked like Disney World. All right, guys. Waterfalls, 2 or 3 pools, a koi pond. I mean, he had it all, guys. Plus 100 acres. So he could look out and see the waterfall in the distance. All right, guys, gotta go. Yeah, look at it all the way to the end and look at how entertaining I'm. She's gonna be explaining. She's not gonna be talking about money. She's gonna be explaining how everything worked. But let's go back here, guys. $7.7 billion every year. Wow. And they're not even paying like we gonna pay. Money comes in, money is paid out. Okay? And whatever's left over, they keep. You know, they got to run that business, but they're already billionaires, so they don't really care about money. They want to help people. It's all about you. I gotta go. Later. See you on the inside. Join up with me. Look for that affiliate link so you can sign up and get because we launching next week. It's 5/6/25 when I'm making this one. So next week we'll be launching into the downline. We keep our downline. I always find something else to say. Gotta go.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm super excited to be here tonight. I hope you are. So we are going to get started tonight. We're going to get started tonight with the VYB overview. Let's talk word terms. The VYB is pronounced vibe. VYB means visualize your breakthrough, and there's more. But we're trying to make this video short and sweet so that you'll listen all the way to the end and go and get more information later on, because we're getting ready to launch, guys. I know that we have some new people here, so if you are new, you've never heard of us, someone invited you over here to listen, and you really don't know what's going on. You don't know who we are. You don't know what's going on, but you're new, and you're excited to find out. I want you to join a lot of our friends and their friends because we are going to explain what we're doing tonight. This is a vibe, and this is an overview. Let's get started. What are you passionate about? Do you love photography? Do you love motorcycles? Do you love barbecuing? Do you love bartending, like mixing drinks? What is it that you love? What is it that you want? I know you have big ideas, opportunities. You want to create, you want to build, you want to succeed. Now, most people, it's not that easy to do that. You may know what your passion is. You may know what you're great at, and you have something to show the world because you're here. You want to say that the world needs what you have. Someone says food. I love to cook. Ice cream, herbal science, traveling, movies, writing, teaching, dancing. And you want to go do something with that, and you want to create. And you have all this ambition and drive and heart, but what is stopping you from doing that? Because let's be real. If we could all wake up and do what we love every single day, there's something that's stopping us, and we don't know what it is. A lot of people have worked for ideas. They have lack of startup capital. They have a lack of a space to create, no time to manage, no time to execute any of these things. Some of these things, and you're just stuck. So do you want to learn about personal development? AI marketing. Are you interested in a faith-based academy? Are you interested in sports betting or live classes? Forex, DeFi, crypto. Some of these things are scary to people because crypto is just a scary thing. It's this imaginary thing that floats around on the internet, and you will not find a bigger skeptic in crypto than myself. Some years ago, I came into it and I thought, what is this? What is Forex? What's crypto? It doesn't make sense. I can't hold it in my hand, but I took some classes and I learned about it. And we do that. We teach you about it. So you can go out into the world and look at crypto and make very smart decisions on your own. We have live educators that know about sports betting and personal development, AI marketing, faith-based academies, and they're going to help you and teach you about these things. When you love horses, you want to do herbal science? Let's make a course, right? What if you can make a course and you can put it here and you can broadcast it to our network of 70,000 plus? And I know one of my amazing co-hosts will put it in the chat, how many we're at right now. But it's 72, 73. It's thousands of people. Yes. Can you go someplace and make a course and put it on YouTube and just live stream yourself to the world because you think, oh my gosh, everyone's going to come to me? You can do that. But wouldn't you love to come do it here where you have mentorship? You can monetize it. You're not giving YouTube or Instagram or TikTok free money just for being a free person there because they're giving you maybe a % of what they're making. You get everything here when you monetize your content. You can also be a part of the Vibe Tribe. There's community connection, support, mentorship. You get to connect with people that are passionate about the things you're passionate about and have a community to help you because they're going to tell you all about how we are changing lives here. So I want to thank all of you. And before I go, we have 380 plus people of my business partners on here, you all, tomorrow at 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget to go to myvyb.io, click on Vibe Live, and we'll be there tomorrow at 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern with more updates. We'll see you on the inside of the webinar. Love and peace. Bye-bye.